Hello everyone. So from today we are going to study the basics of R and the applied statistics in R. So basically we are going to study the R programming. So before starting the finding out the statistics in the R or applying the statistics in R, we are going to study what are the uh, basics of the R, like what are the basic calculations, how to do basic calculations in R. So to do the basic calculation in R, for example, if I have X is equal to suppose 5 and Y is equal to 7. Now the basic mathematical calculation will be calculation is like addition. So to add, what we will do, X plus Y, directly we get the answer. Now the second one is the multiplication. So for that, X multiplication Y will get the answer. Third one, suppose subtraction. We'll do X minus Y. Subtraction will get the answer. Now fourth one, division. So X divided by Y will get the answer. In similar way, if you want to study the exponent function, exponent functions, like how to write X square, how to find the answer of X square in R. So for that, X raised to 2 will get the answer of X square. Similarly, we can do X raised to in bracket. If we write down some negative power, so we'll get this answer. Similarly, just for practice, we can try out this thing. Then we want to find out the square root. Like, so for that, we have SQ RT in bracket X. That's the answer. Now, some trigonometric functions. How to do trigonometric, like answer of sine pi. Okay, like we want to find out the answer of sine pi by 2. How to perform? So for the pi in our programming, we write it down as a pi. So if I want the answer of sine pi by 2, sine pi by 2, what I will write? Pi by 2. This pi is used for the pi function. Or if I want cos 0, I can do that also. Or cos pi by 2, this way. Then, if I want to do some logarithmic function, log function, how can we perform log function in R? Suppose I wanted to write down log x to the best 10. So I'll write it down like this. My base is 10 and my value of X, I'll write it down. Then if I want to change my base, suppose log and my base is 2 and I can write the value of X here. Similarly, log, the another way, for example, if we want to find out the answer of log and the value of base is 4 and X. Okay, so how to write it down? The another way is you can write down log in bracket X and value. What is the value of base? You can mention here. Suppose here our base is 4. So we can write it down here. Now, how to install packages in R. So to install the packages, just go here. you will see install packages. Okay, and then you can choose first you have to choose your country, suppose India. Okay, and then you can choose any package that you want to install. You have to search here by scrolling down, search your package and click on the OK button, and that package will be installed. So for example, we install a random package. Suppose this package we want to install. Okay, so the process will goes on, and once it's done, so this is showing that our package is installed, and we can call that package by using library command. Now, getting help in R. If you know how to find what is the command of that function in R. For example, we want to find out what is command of log is used in R, for example. So getting help in R, you can just simply write question mark, and for example, we want the help for log function. So we can just write down the question mark, and then we'll write the log. But make sure that your device or your laptop or computer is connected to the internet. Okay, begin. Otherwise, you will offline and you are finding the help for it, then you will not get it. You will not get it. So see. So here this is showing the commands that we can use to use a logarithmic and exponent function in R. Okay, here also you can see that. So this log x and what is your base answer, you can write down. So for example, see here, we have log 10 and in bracket we have x. That means our base value is 10 and we are finding x. X can be anything, or you can directly put any, for example, see here, if I want to find out the answer of log 11, so I can use that. I can get the log value. Okay, and if I want log answer at particular base, suppose we consider 12, and then I put any value, so I'll get the, just a minute. Okay, so this is in this way we can use the logarithmic function. So in today's video, what we have studied, we have studied how to install the packages, how to get the help in R, that means getting help in R, and some basic calculations. And for tomorrow, we'll go for the other sessions. And also, what are the data types and data structures at present in R? So, data types, if we consider data types in R, so we have numeric data type, and the example is we can say that 124, anything, any number. Okay, then we have a complex number. And for example, 2 plus 3i. Then we have logical data type. Logical data type means what? The true, like true and false. Okay. Example, true and false. Okay, and then we have obviously characteristics function, characteristic data type. That is we also known as string. Example is, for example, we can write any name. Suppose, yeah, any name. Okay, and the data structures about the data structures. So we have seen the data types. So there are majorly 4 to 5 data types, like numeric data type, integers, complex numbers, logical data type, and characters. Now data structure. So data structure can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Data structure can be homogeneous. What does mean by homogeneous? Homogeneous means it contains similar type of data. Similar type of data. And what is heterogeneous? Heterogeneous data structure means it contains the different types of data. Heterogeneous. So it contains different types of data. Now, see what are the example, like we have a vector, matrix, and array. So all these are the homogeneous type data, and the heterogeneous example like list and data frame. Okay, so this is for the today, and in next video we are going to study the applied statistics through the R program. So this is some basic points, and in upcoming videos we are going to study in deep about the R programming. Thanks for watching.